Hello everyone. Welcome back to Travel Guide. If you're flying with Saudi Airlines, Saudia, in 2026, understanding the baggage rules before you travel can save you time, money, and stress at the airport. In this video, we'll explain Saudia's carry-on baggage allowance, checked baggage limits, excess baggage fees, and useful packing tips. Keep in mind that baggage allowances can vary depending on your route, fare type, and frequent flyer status, so it's always a good idea to check your ticket details before your trip. Let's get started. 1 carry-on baggage allowance. Let's begin with your cabin baggage. Most economy class passengers can usually bring 1 carry-on bag plus 1 personal item, such as a handbag, laptop bag, or small backpack. Business and first-class passengers generally receive a higher cabin baggage allowance. Your carry-on bag should fit within Saudia's size and weight limits and must fit in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. Make sure you also follow airport security rules regarding liquids, gels, and sharp objects. Keep essential items like travel documents, medications, electronics, chargers, and valuables in your carry-on bag to make your journey more comfortable. 2 checked baggage allowances. Checked baggage allowance depend on your destination, travel class, and fare type. Some routes use the piece concept, where you're allowed a certain number of bags with maximum weight limits, while other routes may follow the weight concept, allowing a total combined weight. Premium cabin passengers and members of Saudia's loyalty program may receive additional baggage benefits. Remember that each checked bag must stay within the airline's maximum weight and size restrictions. Bags that exceed the allowed weight or dimensions may require repacking or incur additional charges at the airport. To avoid surprises, weigh your luggage at home before leaving and attach clear identification tags to every suitcase. 3 excess, oversized and special baggage tips. If your baggage exceeds the free allowance, you'll likely need to pay excess baggage charges. Purchasing additional baggage online before arriving at the airport is often more affordable than paying at the check-in counter. Traveling with sports equipment, musical instruments, baby strollers, or medical devices. These items may have separate baggage policies, so check the airline's guidelines before you travel. Fragile items should always be packed carefully, and valuable belongings should remain in your cabin bag whenever possible. Also, never pack prohibited or restricted items in your luggage, and always follow customs and airport security regulations for your departure and arrival countries. 4 final tips in conclusion. Before heading to the airport, review your booking confirmation to verify your baggage allowance, especially if you've booked through a travel agency or online booking platform. Arrive early if you're checking multiple bags, and consider purchasing extra baggage in advance if needed. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to Flights Assistance for more airline baggage guides, travel tips, airport updates, and aviation news. Thanks for watching, and have a safe and enjoyable journey with Saudi Airlines. See you in the next video.